Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. I covered this, I think the last time I covered this was on Tuesday, so 2 days ago. And since then we got the bullish breakout we were talking about back then. All right, so this is some sort of a breakout update. I'm not going to call it an emergency update, but it's, well, it's also not that much of an emergency. I mean, Jasmy got a bullish breakout. That was expected. If you watched my last video, you would have expected this too. You could have made a nice trade here with with Jasmy when it broke above that level at 0.6 cents. It got a nice, it broke above that, took a nice bullish break retest, also on the 4-hour time frame, and moved up a bit. Personally, I didn't trade it. I mean, I was already in some other trades, and I didn't trust the move that much. But it's been great, all right? So I just wanted to give you a quick update on what I expect right now. I mean, first of all, technically, Jasmy is bullish, all right? There's nothing bearish about a chart like this. It's the EMAs are moving up. We just got a major bullish breakout this morning, obviously, and let me quickly look up Bitcoin's chart as well. This morning, obviously, we got a bit of a bearish push, which was also Bitcoin dropped down a bit. I think that's the main reason behind it. And Jasmy, I mean, there's a small resistance here at around 0.65 cents, which it also respected so far. That's all fine. I mean, it's still bullish. So now the big question is well, will Jasmy, did I say Solana again? I'm not sure, but I mean Jasmy, of course. So the big question is will Jasmy continue? And I think at this moment, I think the answer is yes. If we just look at the open interest, for example, here, that's doing great. The open interest has gone up from around 8 million to where it is right now at 12 million, which is an increase of more than 50%, which means that it has a ton of momentum. It's also still going up right now. So purely technically and also fundamentally, I mean, Jasmy does deserve a move. It's also DWF affiliated, of course. But yeah, no. Fundamentally and technically, it deserves this move. So in general, I do expect it to rally up higher. And my main price target, and that was also my main price target 2 days ago, is this level right here between 0.7, so that's 0.007, and 0.68 cents. So that's 0.0068, but you know what I'm talking about. That's the next major price target. I mean, that's a big psychological level. That's the 786 from this entire Fibonacci level down, which the 618 was respected a lot. So I expect the 786 to provide some resistance as well. We might spike a little bit higher towards 0.72 cents, but in general, I expect the price to get up there. And then from there, we'll see again. Frankly, whether it's possible to get up higher, so towards 0.76 and 0.8 cents afterwards, depends a lot on how much resistance it finds here. And also on the markets, because, and that's also what I want to say, is that I think this is most likely, but I will not enter a long trade on Jasmy. I am already long on some other cryptos, which are, well, a little bit risky. They're in profit, but still risky. And in general, I do expect that Bitcoin will drop down a little bit lower. And if Bitcoin drops down lower, what can happen is that Jasmy right here, see, if Jasmy falls down a little bit here, it's not a problem. There's still a lot of support at 0.57 cents, for example. So something like this is a possibility and still fine. But the potential of Bitcoin dropping down quite severely brings about the potential that Jasmy will drop down below 0.57 cents. And then we have a problem. Then Jasmy is back in this consolidation, and well, then it would just not have been a good trade. And it wouldn't surprise me if this happens if Bitcoin drops down, and it wouldn't surprise me if Bitcoin drops down. So that's why it's not a trade for me because of the risk of this. But in general, I mean, just looking at the technicals, Jasmy is just objectively very bullish. But yeah, no, those are my thoughts on Jasmy right now. If you do have any questions, then of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. And if you're interested in that, links to my premium and signal group will be down in the description. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.